Right everybody, I'm just going to give this a clean. Don't know if all this will come off, but I thought about painting that before I put it on, but I ain't got any more paint left, and I just want to get it on because I can always paint it afterwards. I can always mask it all up and blow it over. I'll knock it off and I'll bring you back when I get a bit more done. Right everybody, that's all washed down now. If I'd have had some paint I could have painted it, but I need to get it on, I need to get it out of the way. Stopping job. Get this bolted on. I can always lift it off later on to make it look nice. Right everybody, there's the trolley. The motor's been washed. Right, I'll just get the bolts. I'm putting the old bolts back in as well. I'm putting these back in. I ain't got time to clean them all. They'll do for now. I can get this one in for starters because I can see one, because this one's touching. I'll get this underneath first. Hold it down a bit. Can't reach. I thought that'd happen. Right folks, that's one in. I'll lower this down. Right, get some masking tape on, under there. Stop that from dropping out. So that's bolted on now folks. Well, that's the trolley finished folks. So I've got this to fix somewhere. I might end up putting it here. Might put it like that, or like that. That knob that's sticking out the front there, look. Just make a guard just so it doesn't get broken off. You can get to all pipe work under there, only two pipes.